Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this video I'm going to explain the bubble slot code line by line using very simple words. I have covered the lecture part about the bubble slot in our previous videos. You can check it out. So without any delay, let's begin. So first we're going to see the first line. So it is hashtag include stdio.h. This is a header file. So this tells the compiler to use the standard input and output libraries. Because of this library, we can use the functions like printf and scanf. So in our second line, we have int main. So this is a main function. So every C program starts execution from the main function only. So on the third line, we have this operation, this array. So here we create an array with name ARR, means shortcut array. So this array contains 5 elements. So that's why I've given int equal to 5. And the elements are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is actually in descending order. So our goal is to write in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 using bubble slot. So we have declared three variables, means int I, j, and temp. So here we declare this variable because I used for outer loop and j is used for inner loop and temp is used for swapping two numbers. On the next line we have written for loop for I equal to 0 and I is less than n minus 1, I is increment. So this is the outer loop. It controls how many rounds bubble slot performs. So how many rounds the bubble slot perform, it gonna control it. So since there are 5 elements, so we need 4 rounds. So the values of I changes like this. So it's gonna start from 0 and 1, 2 and 3. So on the next line we have written the for loop with j variable. So j equal to, so this is actually inner loop. So j equal to 0, j is less than n minus I minus 1. So it compares neighboring elements. The value of j changes according to the current round. So j is incremented. So now we are checking the condition. This is the condition. If array of index j is greater than array of index j plus 1, so what gonna happens? So this condition checks two neighboring numbers. If the left number is bigger than the right number, they need to exchange positions. For example, suppose 5 and 9. Since 5 is greater than 4, they must be swapped. So they are going to swap. On the next line, we have temp equal to of array of index j. So it stores the first number inside the temp. So for example, temp equal to 5. So on the next line, we have array of index j equal to array of index j plus 1. So move the second number to the first position. Example, 4 moves to the place of 5. So array becomes 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So on the next line, we have array of index j plus 1 equal to temp. Now it gonna place the saved value back. So now array becomes 4, 5, 3, 2. The swap is completed. So this is the for loop. So on the next line we have closing with the we are scrolling with the flower brackets and we are printing the sorted array. So we are writing another for loop. This is for loop is used to write the sorted array. So this means the text like sorted array and we are in the for loop and we are taking the percentile of array of index. So this complete code for sorted array. So this is what, so and we are returning 0. This tells the operating system that the program successfully finished. So this is all about the bubble sort. Let me run this code. We have successfully got the output. So initially the array is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So using bubble slot we have getted our slot array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So instead of, let me give here, suppose not plus 5, we are given minus 5 here and we are giving 20. So let us see how it's gonna performs. So now it is slotted minus 5, 1, 3, 4, 20. So this is all about the bubble sort. I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts in this code, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.